At Arion Bank, we place great importance on working responsibly and in harmony with society and the environment. The principles for responsible banking are in close accordance with the bank's strategy, and we are delighted to become one of the founding signatories. Our goal is for our work and activities to have a positive impact on the environment, and the principles for responsible banking will help us to achieve this. I firmly believe that it is vital to strengthen international cooperation in the financial sector with regard to sustainability and responsible banking. It is a prerequisite for achieving the key goals set out in the Sustainable Development Goals and the Paris Agreement. We look forward to working together and hope to learn from other financial institutions and even to share our own experience on issues such as equality, environment, and innovation, for example. Arion Bank is one of the largest banks in Iceland and as such has a major influence on Icelandic society. We need to listen to the voice of stakeholders and align our objectives with those of the nation as a whole. For example, Iceland has committed itself to reducing greenhouse gases by 40% by 2030 under the Paris Agreement. This can only be achieved if companies and individuals all play their part and make an effort. In this respect, I think that financial institutions play a crucial role, not least as intermediaries on the market, facilitating the flow of capital to investors. Customers, shareholders, investors, and our employees are exacting and have high standards, especially when it comes to the bank's impact on society and the environment in which we live. And this is just how it should be. Demands for transparency are also increasing. We see these demands as an opportunity to do better in our product range, our support for innovation, when evaluating risk in our business, and in all reporting and disclosure of information. The principles help us sharpen our focus when it comes to sustainable and responsible banking, and I'm certain that we will learn from the outstanding financial institutions which are signatories to the principles. Man-made global warming is one of the greatest threats to humanity, and we all need to take action so this process can be brought to a halt. In Iceland, we are witnessing our glaciers melting, and I'm convinced that climate change is not a problem that will solve itself. A lot has to change over the next few years and decades. These changes require funding, and it is vital that the world's banks lead the way when it comes to the shift to renewable energy and developing greener infrastructure. The principles will help us to achieve these goals.